This is my first day riding.
What day is it?
The last day. This is some stuff. See if we can do this.
Nah, you just gotta ride it tight.
I gotta get over. Supposed the other pant leg's a little bigger. Not sure of that. Alright.
So Shane, what have you been doing?
Trying to get these jeans over my boots.
Yeah, but like,
In general,
yeah.
working at a bar. I surf the internet.
Really? What are your favorite websites?
Yobi.
The snowboard.
Yeah. I'm smiling under this.
Are you?
I swear.
I'm gonna cascade.
Safety first.
No, 30 and 30 and over. Bar goes down.
Who's doing it, dude?
Yeah, it happens.
But you know he's clean. Oh, don't you see what I mean? Gotta get away, holy diver. Yeah. Got shiny diamonds like the eyes of a cat in the black and blue. Something is coming for you. Morning, you can hide in the sun till you see the light. Oh, we will praise the light. Gotta get away, get away. Between the velvet lines, there's a truth that's hard as steel. Yeah, the vision never dies. Life's a never-ending wheel. Say, holy diver, you're the star of the masquerade. No need to look so afraid. Jump, jump, jump on the tiger. You can feel his heart, but you know
I'm
he's
feeling like Damian Sanders. He made his big comeback in '96. Mine's only gonna be for a day though.
We're gonna go drink some beer and barbecue on the grease bus. Now I know what it feels like to be Corey Grove. Oh.
He told me, dude, you have no idea.
And it's awesome. No way.
Why?
Can you open it up? You buy that thing at home? It just squirts. Looks like. It's like a sweet dumpster. Oh, yeah!
You've been down too long in the midnight sea. Oh, what's becoming of me? No, no! Ride the tiger. You can see his steps, but you know he's clean.